Hi there, welcome to Don's Workshop. This is part 18 of my Mercedes-Benz G500 build. Last time got the rear door on, and that has a little latch, so that's pretty neat. And now we're going to continue. Okay, looks like I got everything sorted here, so let's get started. Okay, we have immediately to put on, I guess first build that. So first build this. We got two of these. And those go on the top here. To be there. Those go there and over here. Okay. Now let's just get the other stuff together here. And we got one of these. And okay, that go in there like that. So two of these or just one? There's just one. Okay. That goes there, and then an axle. And an orange one. Okay. And that goes back here. On this side, or on this side, it goes here. Goes this way. What? How does it go in there? Okay, oh, it's facing. Is it? Oh, it goes like that? Oh, it goes there. There's where it goes. Up there. Okay. Oh, I see. It's supposed to tilt. That tilts up there. Okay. And now let's get this one going. Okay, that goes here, and then do this again. I'm gonna guess this just goes on the other side there. Yep. Okay, can I get that in that side? I know that it's supposed to go that way. Goes there, and then that rotates up there. Now what? Okay, two of these. The axle and those two need to go in. So one goes up here and one goes over there. Now I have two long pins. They go in, oh, they're supposed to go in the far corners. And two black pins go there and there. Okay, now it looks like we got the roof. Okay. So this starts out with pins like that. Okay, and then we have two of these. The axle pin and the black pin, and then the axle pin and the black pin. And then those go in this side like that. Now I take the 15 beam, so that'll be the longest ones. And that goes there. And I have 6 of these, or four of them. Pin with the beam, double pins with beam. Okay, double pin with beams go in here. And then 2 of these. Axle connectors, red axles, and that. And that is supposed to, when I have to put the pins in there, that's like that. Then these go here and here. Okay, now it's just axle, we got a pin. That axle, that goes there. We have this long axle pin, and we have a beam, and then the 2 90-degree connectors, and they go on there. This is a sunroof. That's what that's supposed to be. We have 2 of these panels. Okay, and they go here. Is that supposed to be the sunroof opening? Maybe. Maybe. And we have 8 of the black pins here. 4 on each panel. Okay. Now I gotta take the big panels here. And put the 2 on either side there. Okay, and then it's supposed to be long black pins here. Or long blue pins with the 2 black pins. Okay, like that. And 2 3 beams. And a T. Okay. Then we have the 9 beam. That's not the 9 beam. That's the 9 beam. Okay, and then we have these axle pins into this 3 beam with the axle connectors, and that goes there. That's probably for the steering. I guess right or not. That goes there. And then we have 2 3 beams. And 2 black pins. And another 9 beam. Okay. Long black pin goes in here. And then, this is all facing like this. What did I miss? I've missed some blue pins. Exactly where did I miss the blue pin? Oh no, I didn't miss the blue pins. I didn't miss, oh, these go together like that. I didn't miss the blue pins. Okay, those go like that. There we go. Okay, and we have a lot of pins. Oh wait, that's the wrong spot. Okay, that's the wrong spot there. Get the pins in like that. And this side as well. Now what? Now what do we have? Oh, long blue pins on this side. Black pins there and there. And we have the 7 beam, the 1 7 beam. Okay. That is that one. And then we have the 2 L beams. Now, the other panel here. And the 3 beams. Okay, and pins in the middle. Oh, pins on this side, I guess. Now what? Now that goes on this side. Oh, it goes this way though. Like that. And it's a 15 beam across the back. We take 2 15 beams and go down the side. Oh, that's the wrong. 15 beam goes on the top side. It goes down this side. And then this one goes here. And then we have that single pin there. Okay. 4 black pins go around the sunroof. Okay, and then we have the axle into one of these. Oops. Okay, and then we put that there. Now we have, what do we have here? We have these 2 supposed to get connected by a stud pin. We're doing this twice, so let's get that one that way, and it's interesting. Okay, that goes there. And then these, the stud, which way does it, the stud pin faces inward, I think. Is that right? I don't know. I guess it is. I don't really know. Yeah, that's how it goes. Or well, that doesn't, oh yeah, okay, it goes like that. And then I need to put that on the, I'll keep that the back open, I guess. Put these two axle pins in this front. Okay, let's, oh, that came off. Let's maybe try putting these pins on, because those go on. There we go. And then this is supposed to snap in here, and then these can go on there and there. And we have a sunroof. And then I'm supposed to punch those two blue pins through, or what? Oh. There's that one, and that one. There we go. Now it can't come off. Okay, so I gotta take two of these. Stud pins go in the end, and then these curved tiles those go on the back. So you can't see that, but they go on the back and line up there. So that's lined up there. We're supposed to be lined up like that. There we go. Now these, I have two. Just get those tied up here. And where do those go? Oh, they go in there. Okay, so they go in here. Since that's like the only hole left there. And now, what's this? This is going to be that back window covering area. So we have 21. Red axle. And this 90-degree adapter here. And a stud pin. And then this goes over here, I guess. Oh, I see. You're supposed to put this on and then that, and then that goes like that. Okay. Then we have that beam. This 90-degree connector here. And another one gets hooked in like that. Okay. And that goes on the back corner here. Okay. Let's see. Push that. There we go. And that's, I guess, the way it goes. Yeah, I'm not really sure if that's supposed to... Oh, that's supposed to face the other way. The stud pin that's in here is supposed to go the other way. Can I push that out? Maybe. That's supposed to go the other way. Okay, and then that is important because I think we're going to be putting tile on there, because this one goes in here as well. There we go. Now that's kind of held on there. And indeed, we have something here. And a tile with 2 spots, and that does indeed go right on that corner there. So that's pretty good there. And we have to do that again on the other side. That does go on this side. And like that. Okay. Oh, forgot. That, and now we put that on the other corner. Tilts a little bit, and we put that through there. And yeah, we're gonna put this other one together here and toss that on the corner here. And we get the other side. Okay, what are those two for? Oh, they are for something, okay. Oh, it's the mirror. Or it's supposed to be a mirror, I guess. And that hangs on that brown axle we put on earlier. So there it is. Well, that's been part 18 of my Mercedes-Benz G500 build. This time we got the roof on, little sunroof included, as well as a couple of the corner posts on the back. Anyway, if you'd like to see more, please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and take it easy.